Welcome back here to the Tower Construction Series. Together with some friends, we're building a fire pit today and just getting rid of all the trash. There's so much trash under the first layer of vegetation. Aaron!
Hi!
From California?
From California, yeah. I'm an immigrant labor.
He's really cheap if you ever need somebody.
Yeah.
And look, we have more help. Woo!
Mala Machka!
Hello!
Hi, honey! What was that?
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yesterday I bought a car, this beautiful VW Passat, got 350,000 kilometers on it. Just came back from the hardware shop to buy all kinds of things, drills, lights, everything, because today we're gonna continue here at the tower to clean up everything. I have to unpack the car now and then the others will come and join me. Doesn't hurt to have a drill and a grinder, one of these sets here, trash bins, some lighting, some protective gear, a rack, important because I broke the one for my neighbor yesterday, a little shovel. We can enjoy the first night here at the tower. It's a beautiful day. It's kind of warm now. It's getting warmer. I think 20 degrees today. We're in March now. Got this really cool looking light here. Actually, like I have to hold it very close to my head so you can still see me. It's so dark now. Some tea lights all over the place here in the ruin pretty much. This looks amazing here with all the candles. I'll see you in the next days when we continue the cleanup here. A baby dog just walked into the tower. Never seen him before here. It would be so cool if he would stay actually, but he has a little collar, so he belongs to somebody. I think I'll actually get the wheelbarrow down here. Good towels I'm gonna save for later. Oh! Hey! He's so playful. He likes to bite, but he doesn't have... Well, actually, I can feel it when he bites me on the arm. Definitely have to get some water and something to eat for him. He's so cute. Maybe he will decide to stay here. I'm not going to force him, but if he comes back, then my doors will always be open. Now with Rocky sleeping, we can go back to work. I want to get rid of all these stones that fell down from the original stone wall in between the trees here. So I'm just gonna throw them all up, and then in the end I'm gonna make it look nice again, like a stone wall. Created a new path here to the gate pretty much. You can now walk down here on the left side. It was not really accessible before at all. Make space here so we can renovate the first ruin. Also have to get all the tiles out. It's a lot of work. I should get back to work. I've worked for around 8 hours again and didn't eat much and I'm out of water, so now I already gotta go home. This used to be covered in rocks and soil and now it's pretty clear actually. Even built a little bit of a bench to sit on. Look at that! You can actually sit here now underneath this beautiful tree, and this will be so nice and shady in the summer here. And the rain comes for around a week. And after that, we're gonna start construction on my own little house here. I'm totally dirty and exhausted, so I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
It was so amazing to finally see the sun setting over the Adriatic Sea here, because you have to know that in the winter you can't actually see the sunset like that because it's setting more towards the left side, and now in March, getting closer towards spring and summer, the sun is finally setting in my field of view.
Good morning again. I'm back at the tower and I'm gonna finish up this part over here that I couldn't finish yesterday because I was too exhausted. And today's mission is gonna be cleaning up the small ruin. It's fully covered with tiles and rocks. I'm done with the first part here. It's the nicest stairs there now actually, but there's so much more. This will take actually like a full week, I guess. We'll get the big ones out now and then just see if there's anything interesting beneath, and then I'm gonna put all my fire stuff in here, make a fire, because it will start raining in a couple of hours from now. I burnt most of the stuff and first drops of rain are coming in now, so that's great timing.
And with that, we're coming to the end of the episode here. It's been great to spend some time with other people and also with the cute dog in the tower. The next episode will feature my solo projects on rebuilding a lot of the remaining walls. The complete property is covered with them, and you will see how I managed to transform them and put them back to former glory. Until then, see you next week.
You made it to the end of the video. That's awesome. Thank you so much. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button as well. Leave me some feedback in the comments and also make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. A special shout out to my Patreon supporters as well. If you would like to find out how you can support me and receive monthly benefits such as receiving postcards from me or me being your own personal trip planner, then check out the link below.